This home protection plan customer found ants in his living room by the baseboard heater. After a thorough inspection, we discovered that the ants were actually able to enter the home by crawling underneath the sliding glass door. The customer tried to control the ants with some DIY ant traps, but they only made the infestation worse. With the owner's permission, we're going to spot treat the baseboards and the sliding glass door with the liquid residual application. We're also going to apply this application to the exterior of the home. Once we're done, we're going to go outside and inject a residual dusting application in the exterior crevices of the sliding glass door. Once that's done, we're going to apply an ant gel bait in several gaps and crevices along the windows and other potential openings around the exterior of the home. Lastly, we're going to treat the mulch beds and the egress windows with a granular bait. Once the worker ants come in contact with any of these applications, they're going to bring them back to their nest and then transfer the treatments to the other ants in their colony and their queen. They'll do this by feeding one another, grooming one another, or eating their own dead. In a short amount of time, the ants will be exterminated.